Show me your lip. We're just going through. That just looks really bad. Happy birthday to Good morning. I'm in Tyler's truck right now. I'm dropping off the tables and chairs, half at my parents' house, half at Grandpa's house. Tyler and I spent the majority this morning just lounging and hanging out in our bed and eating donuts. My grandma's still here from Arizona, so I came down the hill to spend some time with her and my parents and my grandpa and Mary. I have documentation that we returned all of the tables and all of the chairs. It has been documented, and the ladies did it. We didn't need any guys. We even brought Journey. Journey's in the car too. We're just going through. Where are we going? Mom's gonna go get her seatbelt on and then we're gonna leave. We're gonna turn this off. We're gonna turn this off. What is that?
The L.O.L pet. That's kitty cat.
That's a kitty cat?
Yeah, just like Butter likes. It's kitty cat.
Are you hoping it's bunny wishes? You haven't gotten a bunny wishes yet. Is that a person?
Who is that? It's not bunny wishes, but it's a bunny wishes.
Let's see.
No, it's just a bunny.
It's not.
Yeah, it is a bunny. It's not bunny wishes. Oh, she's right here.
Which one is
So,
she?
Match her up. What's her name, Mom?
right here.
Mm-hmm.
So
Is that
she's
her?
cutie.
What is her name? Her name is Cocktail Cutie.
Aww.
Cocktail. Cocktail Cutie. Sorry.
She lives in retirement neighborhood, you know.
Yeah.
I was worried about that name. I'm like, Cocktail Cutie for kids' toy? It's Cottontail Cutie.
It's a baby shovel. I love it.
Cottontail.
Don't worry, we just established that.
Yeah.
There's something in there. What is it? Oh, it's a cup. That's cute.
That's really cute. It has trim on it and everything.
Yeah.
I love
that.
That is really cute. You like that, Journey? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Can you see her?
Got lots of things.
Tacos, my mom's favorite tacos, and we were doing these fun fruity glasses of sangria with all this fruit and ice and stuff in it. Just do a little walk around and show you guys my mom's setup because she's got all these beautiful plates for everything so you can see how cute it is. And Grandma's birthday coming up in the next week or so we are gonna sing happy birthday to them. And it's their favorite carrot cake. The odds that they like the same cake, that's awesome.
I don't like cake.
You don't like cake? Can I eat your piece then? Yeah, okay. Happy birthday, dear Mary Ann Queen. Happy birthday to you.
Better blow it out.
Wait, I have more.
No, there's one on there.
Is it really?
Go ahead, hurry. There you go. Good job. No, they got it right at the end.
Lunch is packed today. We have our napkin, I love you, icy. This is Mimi's famous macaroni salad, pretzels, grapes, salami, cheese stick, and a little treat. Good morning, it's another day, and this girl just ate a Hershey's Kiss for breakfast, and I'm not happy, but what can I do about it because she snuck it before I could see. Again, can you guys see it? Oh yeah, if I show the tree with the background, you can see all the white. You guys ready for this? Tyler and I got up this morning and we were like, okay, we just gotta finish cleaning up from the party. Gotta get everything back in order. We gotta do the garage. I get all the kids ready. We go outside. I couldn't get anything done. One kid needed this and one kid needed that, another kid needed that. And it was like every time I started to do something, I would have to help one of the kids. And they come first. So I come inside and it's time for Jaspen to take a nap. And I'm like, perfect. I'm gonna put her down for a nap. I come in here and I was trying to grab her a diaper and get her all ready for bed. And all of a sudden I hear boom. And then I hear Talon screaming and I'm like, what just happened? And he's got blood like dripping all over the floor. Driplets of blood all right here, and he had blood running all down his chin. The horsey guy was over here. Well, somehow when I walked in here, he was way over here. Talon was riding it and flew forward and slammed his face on the corner of this, which is crazy, right? You saw the whole thing? He hit his face right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just knock over like that, and I just saw it, and I was standing right here, and I just saw him just hit his face.
And he hit his mouth right there. It definitely doesn't look very good. I tried getting some ice on his lip, but now he's taking a nap. Show me your lip. So his bottom lip, you can kind of see it's fat. And then he had a bunch of blood all on the top. So I think he busted the top of his lip and the bottom.
I have a little blood right here.
Yes, okay, we're moving on to you next. So then I was like, okay, time to put this one to bed and I can go get this stuff done. And then this one comes out and she's like kind of crying and she goes, my leg, my leg. The bounce house, and this has never happened before, so this is really weird, but the way that they were sliding down, it really messed up her foot. Like it gave her a bad burn.
I need just hit his mouth on Jaspen's clip.
I know, isn't that terrible? That just looks really bad. Let's get this one patched up. All better. Let's get in bed. You ready?
Too bad.
Okay. Good night. It's good night.
Good night, Maria.
I want to give a special shout out to a long time, not really a shout out, I want to give a condolence to a very long time fan of ours. I never met him, but he was a very exceptional person. Reading his obituary, he died in January. His name was Anonymous on YouTube. I just missed him. I miss his comments. His comments were so quirky and witty and clever. And I was sad to hear he passed from a heart attack at 73. Sending love to his family. They probably will never see this, but you know, it's still good to remember those that, you know, have an impact on you. And he did. not a moose, thank you. And when that day comes, I do get to meet you. That'd be awesome, be great. So you're just a special kind of person. So rest in peace, my friend.